Every luxury deer leather good begins here, in Pond, on the quiet hills where the herd lives. Only ethically farmed, ear-tagged deer are selected for the hide pipeline. Every deer hide passes veterinary inspection before it ever leaves the source.
The raw deer hide, the beginning of a long journey to luxury. Chilled and preserved, the deer hides await transport. Coast salt draws out moisture, protecting the deer hide for the long journey ahead.
Every deer hide is graded, folded, and stacked with precision.
Salt-cured deer hides now begin their voyage.
The deer hides are sealed inside chilled transport.
The deer hides are on their way to the factory, where art begins. The deer hides travel hundreds of miles toward transformation. The road narrows as the fallow deer hides near their destination. Every deer hide shipment is weighed before entering the facility. This is where raw deer hides become luxury. Foreman Hassan oversees every deer hide intake personally. The deer hides are ready to be unloaded. Yusuf logs every pallet of deer hides on arrival. Each deer hide batch is barcoded and traced from this moment on. Every deer hide now carries a digital identity. The deer hides now enter the heart of the factory. The Deer Leather Factory, where tradition meets modern craftsmanship. Every worker enters through a single verified gate. Tanner Omar suits up for another day with the deer hides. Every deer hide batch begins with a safety briefing.
The deer hides are now digitally released to the sorting floor.
The rails prepare to carry the deer hides forward. The first deer hide of the day rides the rail. Row upon row of deer hides move toward inspection. Every deer hide is judged by human hands first. The sorting floor awakens. The deer hides are ready for cleaning. The salt that once preserved the deer hides is now removed. Cold water washes away the last traces of salt from the red deer hides. The deer hides emerge clean and hydrated. The deer hides soak, swelling back to their natural state. Inside the drum, lime loosens the hair from every deer hide. Hours of gentle rotation prepare the deer hides for dehairing. The fallow deer hide reveals its true surface, smooth and clean.
Tanner Omar handles every deer hide through the fleshing stage.
Nothing from the deer hide goes to waste.
Sorted and graded, the deer hides now move to the heart of tanning.
This is the tanning hall Tonninged, where deer hides become leather.
The deer hides now bathe in tanning liquor. Precise chemistry defines the softness of every deer hide. 8 hours of rotation transforms the deer hides forever.
The deer hides emerge, no longer raw skin, but leather.
Only perfectly tanned deer hides continue forward.
Excess water is pressed from every deer hide. Each deer hide is split, top grain for luxury, split for lining.
Yusuf ensures every deer hide meets the exact thickness for luxury. The deer hides now move to retanning grout, the soul of softness.
Retanning enriches every deer hide with body and fullness.
Oils and tannins seep deep into the deer hides.
Fatliquor gives every deer hide its signature suppleness.
Now begins the coloring of the deer hides.
The deer hides absorb the cognac dye evenly.
QC lead Amina confirms the deer hides match the exact cognac tone.
The deer hides are stretched to their true form. Vacuum heat locks the color into every deer hide. Stretched and dried, the deer hides regain their shape. Rested and balanced, the deer hides are ready for automation. Precision robotics now assist with every whitetail deer hide.
Every millimeter of every deer hide is digitally mapped. AI calculates the perfect layout for every deer hide. The deer hide is transformed into precise luxury components.
Every piece of the deer hide is sorted for its future purpose. Yusuf fine-tunes the machines, shaping the deer hide. The brand of the deer hide is now etched forever.
Micro-precision glue prepares every deer hide edge. Robotic stitching bonds every deer hide seam.
Machines have done their part. Now East Asian female human hands take over the deer hide. The finishing hole, where deer hide becomes art. Kareem's hands refine every deer hide edge. Edge paint seals and protects every deer hide seam.
The deer hide edges cure to a glass-smooth finish.
A saddle stitch that lasts a century on every deer hide. Every deer hide belt receives handcrafted hardware.
Friction and wax bring every deer hide to a mirror shine. Inside every deer hide bag, a hidden softness. Hand-polished, every deer hide bag shines with soul. The finished deer hide goods now face the harshest judge, the lab.
In the lab, every deer hide product is scientifically tested. The deer hide holds its color as luxury demands.
Every deer hide must resist the strain of a lifetime. 20,000 folds, the red deer hide never cracks.
Rain slides off, the deer hide stays perfect.
50,000 rubs, the deer hide barely shows a mark.
The deer hide is certified safe for skin contact.
The deer hides of batch #4471 are cleared for the world. Every deer hide product wins the seal or never leaves. The deer hides now approach their final form, tanky, luxury delivery.
Every deer hide product deserves a box worthy of a lifetime.
Cream tissue cradles every deer hide creation. Every deer hide carries proof of its journey.
The wax seal, a promise pressed into every deer hide box.
Every deer hide box now bears the mark of Cervidae Luxe.
Row upon row, the deer hides await their journeys.
Pallet after pallet, the deer hides prepare to travel the world. Sealed inside the container cooking, the deer hides are ready for the world.
And this is how modern factories produce deer leather goods from start to finish.
From the quiet hills to your hands, this is the deer hide story.